Way number 15 has to deal with the conversion of temperature between degrees Celsius and Kelvin. Please note that the formula for this conversion is on the back of your reference table on table T. It says K Kelvin equals Celsius plus 273. So if you ever want to convert between Celsius and Kelvin, all you need to do is add 273 to the value of degrees Celsius to convert to Kelvin. If you want to go backwards, all you have to do is subtract 273 from Kelvin in order to calculate the degrees Celsius. So let's try some problems. Convert the melting point of mercury to degrees Celsius. Now, when you first encounter this problem, you may be wondering, how the heck am I supposed to get the melting point of mercury? Well, if you look on table S, where it lists all the elements, and you need to know the melting point, it also lists that in Kelvin. So use table S in order to determine the melting point of mercury, and then use that formula to convert to degrees Celsius. Go ahead and give that a try. Okay, we see that the melting point of mercury is 234 Kelvin. To convert to degrees Celsius, you need to use the formula and subtract 273 from the Kelvin value in order to get degrees Celsius. When we plug that in, 234 minus 273 equals negative 39 degrees Celsius. So the answer is negative 39. Make sure that you write the correct units for these problems. Base your answer to the question on the information below and on your knowledge of chemistry. The equation below represents a reaction between propene and hydrogen bromide. Cyclopropane is an isomer of propene and has a boiling point of negative 33 degrees Celsius at standard pressure and is represented by the formula below. Convert the boiling point of cyclopropane at standard pressure to Kelvin. So you're going to need to use information about the boiling point in degrees Celsius to convert to Kelvin. Okay, you know that Kelvin is equal to degrees Celsius plus 273. So we know that the boiling point of cyclopropane is negative 33. Add 273 to it, and you get a value of 240 Kelvin. So that's our answer. Let's try another problem. Some properties of the element sodium are listed below. It is a soft silver-colored metal. It melts at a temperature of 371 Kelvin. It oxidizes easily in the presence of air, forms compounds with non-metallic elements in nature, forms sodium chloride in the presence of chlorine gas. Convert the melting point of sodium to degrees Celsius. So for this problem, all we need to do is just look at the value for the melting point of sodium and then use the formula in table T to convert to degrees Celsius. Go ahead and give that a try. Okay, we see that the melting point of sodium is 371 Kelvin. When we plug that in, we have to rearrange the formula, and 371 minus 273 equals 98 degrees. So for problems like this, you may sometimes need to use table S. If it asks you for specific properties about an element, like the melting point or boiling point, it'll usually be in Kelvin, and then you're going to use the formula on table T to interconvert that to degrees Celsius, and likewise. Thank you for watching.